Hi, my name is Jay Grams. My family has owned the Volo Auto Museum since 1960. We have a few hundred of the most exciting collector cars, and they're all for sale in one location. I personally have handpicked them from around the country. Welcome to my sales shop. Come on, let's go for a spin. All rise for the Honorable 1969 Pontiac GTO Judge. This is an exceptionally nice car, born in California, lived on the West Coast until just recent. It was frame-up restored in 2009. Great options. This is a special ordered color. It's documented by Pontiac Historical Service. It's a real Judge. It's got a 4-speed. It's got a Ram Air 3. So visit volocars.com if you want to read all the specs and study over 100 pictures. That's also where you will find the price. Not only on this one, but we do have a few hundred collector cars all for sale. Visit volocars.com. If you enjoy watching our videos, you can subscribe to our YouTube channel, click on the bell icon, and you'll be notified as the new ones are posted. Right now, let's go for a spin in a Judge 4-speed. Yeah, just a nice, honest car. It's not a perfect car. It's not a trailer queen, but it's restored really well. It presents itself really well, and it feels really good. I think it's just a good car. I drove this home, and it just felt nice, shifted nice, ran nice. I had all the confidence in the world in the car. It's just a really good one. Underneath is exceptionally clean. The metal floors are just beautiful. They look like they're all original to me. The inner rockers, the inner lower quarters, all the braces, beautiful dry metal. New fuel system, it's real nice and clean, and the front end components are nice and clean. You can tell it was rebuilt. The car was restored in 2009. It's got its VIN number matching original Muncie 4-speed, and it has its original, it's a 390, it's a special ordered 390 safety track, which is their posi. So number matched trans and rear end. It's got a nice dual exhaust system. I think it has Flowmaster mufflers. But everything underneath the car, the shocks, the bushings, the emergency brake cables, all clean, all proper. Everything's real good. Disc brakes up front. This is Windward Blue. Special ordered color. It is handwritten on the Pontiac historical papers that was ordered up for the car, that this is a special ordered color that Pontiac had available. And it's a good looking color. The blue on blue is really attractive. So you have the hideaway headlights. That's a big option to me. I think that makes the car, and they are functional. We'll demonstrate that in just a few minutes. It is a genuine Ram Air. Part of the Judge package is the Ram Air, the stripe, the elimination of the trim rings, and a rear spoiler. The body is clean and straight. This paint's 11 years old, so it's holding up really well. It's not wavy. There's no bubbles or blisters down here. Look how that door fits. It's just spot on. This is all super nice. No issues. The trunk actually is open. I already popped it open, but it fits square and flush. Now on the spoiler, there's like a hairline crack. It looks like it's in the clear coat actually. A couple minor imperfections here and there, but again, it shows really well. The rear bumper is actually, I think, the original bumper. It's got some freckling on it. It's smooth and straight. The bumper fits real nice, but it has some freckles. I think it's original. Taillights might be new because they're pristine. The wheels are restored, and it has the correct Pontiac lug nuts, the right center caps, and we got polyglass Good Year tires, reproduction tires on here. Rear windows nice and clear. The rear package tray is real nice, fits nice. Door handle looks new. Has a remote mirror. That's an option, real nice. The trim's all real nice. Windshield is excellent, real clear. Dash is real nice. The rubber bumper fits really well, and there's no issues, but there are some hairline cracks. You get that in the rubber bumper. Just hairline cracks when the light hits it. I can see them. But again, nothing that stands out. And this hood is not closed all the way. There we go. It is a 400 Ram Air 3. The block is a replacement block. It is a 400, but it's got the code 48 heads. Those are the Ram Air 3 heads. It's got the complete Ram Air system. It's all intact and proper. This engine compartment, like I said earlier, not concourse, but really nice. It fits nice. There's nothing in here hokey or cut up or, I mean, it's just a really nice motor compartment. The interior is really nice. Trunk, good clean metal, spatter painted. Got a mat, a tire cover, a jack, a spare. This is just all real nice and tidy. Like there's a nick in the weather strip, but it's real nice. It's got a trunk light. The interior lights all work. Well, the dome light's not coming on. We got lights under the dash are working. The front seats have been reupholstered. The back seat is actually original. It has just enough little patina on it where you can tell it's original. There's nothing wrong with it. It's all the blue seat belts, even the shoulder belts. The door panels are really nice, straight, not warped. It's got a deluxe wheel, tilt column, factory gauges, factory tachometer. It has the T-handle on the hearse. That's part of the Judge package. This has an AM 8-track player. It has reproduction floor mats. Getting back in here, it has GM hoses, clamps, spring clamp battery cables. The master cylinder looks new. The alternator looks new. This filler panel up front here looks new. The radiator and shroud and fan and washer bottle, everything looks really nice and clean in here and proper. It has power steering and power brakes. Correct antenna. The dash pad is really nice. It's straight, fits real nice. It's got some hairline cracks. Nothing split open, nothing curled, just a couple hairline cracks if you look for them. At a glance, you'd say it's perfect. The knobs are sparkling. Window crank looks new. Again, this car, not perfect, but really nice, good integrity car. Clean door jambs, nice rubber. It does have the Pontiac Historical papers. Those are on our website if you want to look at them. Doesn't it just run nice? It just felt nice, rode, steered nice, no weird noises, clunks, no nothing like that. The original AM radio's not working. I'd rather listen to the exhaust for the music. And as it comes around, I'm going to turn on the headlights. Headliner, visors, all that's real nice. Doors shut beautifully. It's actually got a power trunk release. And it does work. I tried it. So there you go. You got a genuine GTO Judge, 4-speed, 390 posi, nice options, rare, beautiful color. These things have really recently taken a spike in value and price. A couple have sold for big money, much more than I'm asking for this one. Visit Volo Cars if you are interested. I just gave you my impression of the vehicle, but if you have any specific concerns or questions, feel free to ask the salesman. They will also help with the financing, delivery, paperwork. They'll make all that real easy. You can find them at volocars.com. If you just enjoy watching the video, subscribe to our YouTube channel, click on that bell icon, and you'll be the first to see the next one posted. Thanks for watching.